The dream of 3D printing is the ability for anyone to go from an idea to a physical object at the touch of a button. But there's a disconnect between that promise and reality. Formlabs is changing that. Historically, finishing prints has required manual processes that take time and lead to inconsistent results. We know your time could be better spent designing and creating. That's why we've built FormWash and FormCure. FormWash cleans parts uniformly, reliably, and best of all, automatically. FormCure maximizes material properties by precisely controlling light, temperature, and time. Every part of our 3D printing system, the software, the hardware, and the materials, is continuously re-engineered to make your parts better and your work faster. Ultimately, it's not just about the 3D printer, it's about the parts it produces. Join us in reinventing the way things are made.